Alright, a lot of you are wondering, what are we doing? We got the Sanitaire. I'm going to tell you right quick and finish this apartment. We bought the Sanitaire model machine. We have the Bissell Pet Pro or whatever. But the reason we bought this is because the Bissell and the Rug Doctor, those are names that are both synonymous with the rental machine world. So when customers see with them, they could potentially say, well, I could rent a Bissell or a Rug Doctor and do this myself. Well, these are not in the rental market. Never seen them no place. In fact, there's only one video on YouTube we've ever seen. These are not popular like the Bissell and the Rug Doctors are. This machine has two pumps. It has a pump for the motor, it has a motor for the brush, a motor for the vacuum. This is $600. It's expensive, but it's a good machine. It's a Sanitaire. When you take it in the customer's home, they don't know nothing about it, because even if they heard of Bissell's or whatever at the supermarket, they don't remember what they look like. They just heard the drivers walk by and see them. So this will get you any home in America. No questions asked. I'm going to do the hallway. You want to get in the hall?
Yeah. I'll put the information in the video description. Bissell doesn't actually make the BigGreen machines either. There's another company that makes it for Bissell, and they make this too. So I'll try to put that information in the description as well.
Technically, there is no Bissell green machine.
Yeah, they don't actually make this product.
No, they don't make. They're good machines, and Bissell's not involved in making them. They just have to
sell them.
Fixed here. The reason we're doing this is we did this apartment a couple of weeks ago. The woman up here has a dog, and her dog's peed in several spots. She don't want that to be in her carpet. She wants it out. So that's why we're doing this again. It's not really dirty. It's just been peed upon. So.
See what the dirty water looks like?
Oh yeah, we're going to show the dirty water. But that's this is like the Bissell green machines. They're about what, 400, 370. This is about $600. So they're more pricey, but they got two motors in it instead of one. They're real good built machines. So Let's see if we picked up any water. This isn't very much square footage, so you won't necessarily pick up a bunch of water in a place like this. Yeah, a little bit of water. There you go.
Right.
See old black coffee?
Pour it out slowly.
Come here and get close enough I can splash it all over the camera. Look at there.
Nice and dark.
So the thing is this lady's, we cleaned this a couple of weeks ago. The dog is peeing.
And it rained for like 4 days straight, so
yeah, there's a lot of
everybody got their
weird
feet
things going
dirty.
on with this place. But
How full was this bottom tank whenever you
I don't know,
started?
let's just check it out.
You want to see how much water still there? You can hold it up, maybe I can see the side gauge on the side. Hold it up.
I tell you, it's up to there. I put it up. It'd probably do 2 places this size on one fill up.
This thing's pretty good on water use.
It's better than the Rug Doctor. The Rug Doctor, you can run it for maybe 7 minutes. This will run for a lot longer than that. How long's the video, Joe?
12.
Okay, and this
13.
is still, well, okay, so let's say it's run for 10 minutes already, and it'll do another, it'll probably run for 18 or 20 minutes on one fill up. Now that's good. That's actually really good. But anyway, we got this.
Picking up that hair too again.
The hair?
Dog hair?
Did you find some in the carpet?
Good.
It brings it up.
Yeah, it'll bring it up. That big old brush will never bring up anything.
That's awesome.
But all your potential dog pee are gone. If any dog pee that might be in there is gone.
I'm going to put details in the video description for everything. Oh, and one thing too, this has a
That's okay. I put a potty pad.
This has a pigtail, and it comes with, I think it's a 35-foot cord, so we can easily go find like a 50-foot cord.
Yeah, this
Maybe go up another size too.
This has a,
And then
it has a pigtail.
so you always have an extension cord for your vacuum with you this way.
Now I'm the most horrible person in town at winding cords.
Yeah, I'll fix it in a few minutes.
You wanted this thing.
Just sit there. When I shut the video, I'll fix it for
Joe
you.
winds it some weird way that I don't know what he does. I guess I'm not smart enough to figure it out.
Well, anyway, check the video description and comment if you have any thing you want to ask or whatever.
And remember, as far as we know, this is the second video in the world on YouTube about this machine because we've only found one, and it was by some people who didn't even own the machine that were just goofing around with it. So, but this is the only cleaning video you're going to see on the Sanitaire.
And y'all steamed it too the first time.
Yep, it's been steamed. But this is it.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and till next time, thanks for watching.